voters for the one last time. We'll get you more on that from Bihar, but at present I'll turn focus to Tripura East. Deepika Mahato is joining us to get us more on the poll preparations and the poll contest, basically the poll for in East Tripura. Deepika, good morning. You're joining us from East Tripura. When we talk of East Tripura, then this is the one of the only two Lok Sabha constituencies and also of Manipur. And when we talk of this particular East Tripura seat, then this is specially designated for the scheduled tribes. Let us understand more from you as to how do you see the poll contest poised, what are the expectations of the people, and it is crucial because we will see the second phase polling tomorrow.
Indeed, Preeti, a very good morning from Tripura. We are here in Tripura where the pollings will going to happen on the 26th, which is tomorrow. We are just 24 hours away. The fight is straight away between the BJP and the CPIM. If you talk about the West constituency, that has already gone into the polls. It recorded more than 80% of voter turnout. And yesterday we were talking to the leaders of both the parties, the BJP and the CPIM, and we asked that amid the scorching heat and the sun above the head of the voters, how are they going to go and call the voters on the polling stations, on the polling booths? And they said that they've been extensively campaigning into the mountains, onto the hills, and they are also making preparations. They have also talked to the SDMs to make sufficient arrangements for the voters at the polling stations, providing them water and also providing them with glucose so that voters can come. Not only this, we also had a word with the Tripura East voters on how they are going to beat the heat when we talk about the voting turnout, because Tripura East is also expecting a similar sort of higher voting turnout. So the voters said that they will preferably go in the first half of the morning and go and vote for their respective parties which they are looking at. Now the issues, if we talk about, they are looking at development, but as you said, that this is a ST seat meant for scheduled tribes, and 30% of Tripura is meant for scheduled people, scheduled caste people, for the indigenous people. Therefore, it is a very imperative when we look at this seat from the point of view of the rights of indigenous people, the script, the history, the language and the security that they are looking forward to. So with all the promises, the parties will now ultimately going into the polls tomorrow. The enthusiasm of the voter is indeed very upbeat despite of the weather, because they say weather would keep on changing. It is a changing phenomena, but parliamentary elections would come only once in 4 years. Preeti,
all right, so the weather is a changing phenomena
the voters
there.
are gearing up ahead of the schedule for tomorrow.